My name is Asami. Thank you so much for signing up to my course. I have over 10 years experience as a pastry chef in Japan and France. I've also visited over 40 countries and learned about local food and sweets in every country I visited. It inspired me very much, and I started thinking that I want to share my knowledge of amazing Japanese food and desserts to people all over the world. What is the best known and popular Japanese food? Sushi. For this course, I'm going to show you how to make sushi at home. Actually, sushi is not so common to prepare at home. We often eat it in the restaurant. But many friends ask me how to make it at home when I lived in Dubai. My mother likes making sushi at home for my family because my father often goes fishing and brings back fresh fish. I learned how to make homemade sushi from her, so I decided to make this homemade sushi recipe in English. I'm a professional pastry chef, so this sushi is a recipe that comes from the heart and is easy to follow for everyone, including easy to find ingredients outside of Japan and using the equipment you may already have. Sushi can be filled with any of the ingredients you choose. Once you get to know the basics, you can create your own sushi with your favorite ingredients. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me. Let's get started.